Okay, let's take a look at this problem. We've got the integral. Yeah, try it again. Got the integral. What do you have the integral here? 4 to 2. If that's right. Let me put 2 to 4. dt over. And let me get some more of these wires out of the way. 7 minus 5t. Well, we do the u substitution. We'll let u equal to the denominator, 7 minus 5t. Then du, derivative of 7, 0, drops away. Derivative of negative 5t is negative 5, and then we have to add on a dt. Now the dt is already on there, so we just need a negative 5 in there. 7 minus 5t dt. Now I'll offset this. When you put a number inside, you have to put 1 over that number out in front, because a negative 1/5 times a negative 5 gives you a positive 1, so you don't change it at all. From, I think, 4 to 2, or 2 to 4. So now, keep in mind these 2 and 4 are t's. So that says from t is equal to 2 to t is equal to 4. And we're going to replace the 7 minus 5t with u. And we're going to replace a negative 5 dt with du. So then that's going to give us negative 1/5. The integral of 1 over u is natural log of the absolute value of u. From t is equal to 2 to t is equal to 4. Now we're going to plug our u back in. So we got negative 1/5 natural log of the absolute value of u, which is 7 minus 5t. And I'll put this back to 2 and 4 now, since everything's in terms of t's. Okay. Let me continue up here. We've got negative 1/5. And I'll plug in 4. So I'm going to have natural log of absolute value of 7 minus 5 times 4 minus natural log, the absolute value of 7 minus 5 times 2. So then that gives us 5 times 4 is 20, 7 minus 20 is negative 13. Absolute value of negative 13 is 13, minus 10, 7 minus 10 is negative 3. Absolute value of negative 3 is 3. And am I even coming close? Yes. Okay, so we've got negative 1/5. Now, if you have natural log of something minus natural log of something, or just log of something minus log of something, subtraction becomes division. So this would be natural log of 13 over 3. Positive. Maybe it should have been 4 and 2. Well, if I flip that around, I assumed that was a typo. If we're looking from 4 to 2, then these get flipped around. And so this right here would be negative 1/5 natural log of 3 minus natural log of 13. And if I were to factor out a negative 1, that'd give me a 1/5 negative natural log of 3 plus natural log of 13, which gives us 1/5 natural log of 13 minus natural log of 3, which gives us 1/5 natural log of 13 over 3. So it's positive 1/5. It's a curious way to write it. I assumed it was a typo. Usually you have smaller numbers first, or on the bottom, and large numbers up here. But I guess not in this way. Anyway, that's how you get that answer.